Okay, let's make a start. This is IELTS speaking part 1. Do you like bags?
Yes, I like bags very much because it's very helpful for
They are very helpful. And one more thing. If the question is, do you like bags? Yes, I like bags. This is what I call parroting. Don't be a parrot. Do you like bags? I love bags very much. Do you like bags? I've got a wonderful collection of bags and I am literally obsessed with bags. Right?
Yes.
Change the language. Do you like bags? I like bags. Do you drink water? I drink water. Do you eat sandwich? I eat sandwich. This is parroting. So don't be a parrot. Try to replace the words. Okay? Let's start again. Do you like bags?
Yes, I love bags because it's very helpful for
Sorry, I'll interrupt you. Okay, wherever you're wrong, I'll interrupt you. It is for singular. You said bags. So it is very helpful. What should be the right one? They are very helpful. Okay, now carry on. Final. Do you like bags?
मेरा टॉपिक ये वाला है.
Yeah, so did I give you the topic in advance? Will you tell
Okay.
the examiner that? Examiner, is this my topic? Huh?
Okay.
Yeah.
I love bag very much because they are very helpful for
Okay, let's go
For,
on. What type of bags do you like?
usually I like handbag because it's easy to carry and some
Come on, come up with ideas.
because it is easy to carry and some little things like mobiles, pen, and I put inside my bags.
Okay.
So I like handbags.
All right, very good. There is no marking criteria for smiling. Okay.
Okay.
So if you smile a lot or a little, they will not give you any extra band for that. Okay.
It's
Do
natural.
you usually carry a bag when you go outside?
Yes, I usually carry bags because I have one kid. That's why it's necessary for me.
You put the
That-
kid in the bag?
No,
All right.
the diapers and all
Okay.
the
I understand
things.
that. I understand that. That's very good. Okay, let's go on. Have you ever received bag as a gift?
Yes, my sister-in-law gifted to me. I like very much that bag,
Okay.
and its color is pink, and I like it very much.
Okay, that's good. So you need to organize your answer and you need to focus your sentence structure. At the
Okay.
moment you're making simple sentences, try to make compound sentences. Okay.
Okay.
Now it's your turn. Let's move on. Okay, who is your favorite celebrity in your country?
My favorite celebrity is a singer Arif Lohar. He is very good singer and he sang many songs like folk and culture. So he is our cultural and traditional singer. I like him very much.
All right, that's good. Do you like any foreign celebrities?
Yes, I like many foreign celebrities like Indian actresses and actors as well. And on the other hand, I like some singers of foreign culture or foreign countries. And also I like many.
All right,
celebrities.
that's good. So try to organize your answer and finish it properly. Let's go on. Would you like to meet any celebrity?
Yes, whenever I got a chance, I
get a chance.
I get a chance. I will meet a celebrity like as I early mentioned.
As I have mentioned earlier.
As I have mentioned earlier, I like Arif Lohar, the most famous and eminent singer of our country. I want to meet. I want to meet him when I get a chance.
All right. Overall, it's good. You need practice and you need to be familiar with all these topics. So try to practice 5 topics a day and you'll be fine. Thank you so much.